Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove CapCut watermark permanently. So if you are frustrated with the CapCut watermark, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove the CapCut watermark in your videos. And here, what you need to do is just open the CapCut applications. So as you know, if you are using or if you are editing your videos on CapCut, whenever you try the new project, there will be this watermark attached on the at the end of the video on CapCut. Here, let's say I'm going to just start a new project here and add a video. Let's add this one, for example. You can tap on add. So when you add a new project in here and swipe to the end of your videos, and here there will be this ending which includes the CapCut watermark. So how you can remove it permanently from your videos, you can manually click on it and then tap on delete, but then when you start new project again, it will show up again in the new project. So what you need to do is turn it off permanently by going to the CapCut settings. So in here on the home page, you can just click on the Me options at the bottom right corner. To access the settings, you can just tap on this icon at the top right corner and you'll see the CapCut settings. And here under the preferences, you'll see the add default ending. You can just toggle off this settings right here, the add default ending, and then after that you can tap on discard and it will be turned off. So whenever you try to add a new project, now the ending or the CapCut watermark won't be there. So how about if you use templates on CapCut? As you know, when you try to use a template from CapCut, there will be also watermark attached on it. Let's try to use templates in here. I'm going to add photos from here, for example. Let's just add these two photos. Tap on next, and here you'll see at the top right corner there will be this CapCut watermark attached from the template. So what you need to do is just tap on export first, and you can choose this export without watermark option. So it will direct you to the TikTok applications, but you can just go back once the TikTok app is open. You can just click on the back button on your phone, but and then after that your video will still be saved on your gallery. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.